Okay, okay. Chalo. Formulas I'll revise once. Today, last time I'm revising these formulas. Okay. Immediate annuity. What do you mean by immediate annuity? Paid at the beginning or at the end? It is at the end. Correct. End. Formulas. First formula is P, that is present value. Right. First formula is A. Sorry. A, accumulated value. Accumulated value is equal to A is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket close, raised to n minus 1. A is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to n minus 1. Then present value P is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, but no round bracket. Round bracket will come afterwards. First, P is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, 1 minus bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to minus n. P में square bracket close. P is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, 1 minus round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to minus n. Then the third formula was 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. Then comes annuity due. Annuity due means paid at the beginning, starting. And what you have to remember? In case of immediate annuity, it is C. Every C will be replaced by what? Every C, wherever there is C, that will be replaced by C in bracket 1 plus I. करेक्ट? इतना याद रखा कि खत्म हो गया. इधर के फॉर्मूले सेम ही है. ये जो लेफ्ट के फॉर्मूले और राइट के फॉर्मूले उसमें क्या फर्क है? लेफ्ट के फॉर्मूला में सी देखो अभी इधर ये सी है. This C will be replaced by C in bracket 1 plus I. Yes, Shabazz. Okay, देखो बाकी सब. And then we don't say A, we say A dash. D for due, D for dash. Then P dash, same formula आएगा. Okay. Then this. Wherever there is C, changes किधर है? Changes. Wherever there is C, C is replaced by C in bracket 1 plus I. Yeah, Mir Bhagat, good evening. And then this last formula, A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus I, bracket raised to n. Okay. With this, let's go on to solve the next sum. If I'm not wrong, sum number 21 today. Am I right? 21? Yes. Chale. Miscellaneous exercise 2, page 32, question 21. A company decides to set aside. Yes, today we'll finish the chapter. A company decides to set aside a certain amount at the end of every year. End of every year. Dear student, end of every year. What hint you are getting by this? End of every year. Immediate annuity. Yes, end of immediate annuity. To create a sinking fund that will amount to rupees 9,28,200 in 4 years. So this 9,28,200, 9,28,200 is a value of today or after 4 years. कब की value है वो? Today or after 4 years? Future value. Yes, future value after 4 years. A. If it is today's value, then आज का वैल्यू है तो प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू P हो जाएगा. But this is in 4 years, so 4 years में चाहिए. This is A. At 10% per annum, find the amount to set aside every year. Amount to set aside every year. तो क्या ढूंढना है हमको? Find the amount to set aside every year. C ढूंढना है. and given 1.1 raised to 4 is equal to 1.4641. Okay, so let's start with the answer. I hope by this time now you can write answer easily. You can think of the answer. Given क्या क्या दिया है, चलो लिखते हैं. गिवन सबसे पहले क्या मिल रहा है हमको? 9,28,200. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट्स ए. A is equal to 9,28,200. 4 years. So that is N is equal to 4. Then R is equal to 10%, but we don't want R. We want I. Therefore, I is equal to 0.1. 10%. So 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100 is 0.1. और C ढूंढने का है. तो चलो, which formula will be applicable? A, not A dash. A is equal to C upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to N minus 1. फॉर्मूले अभी सब आने चाहिए. फॉर्मूला आ गया तो कुछ होता ही नहीं, इजी होता है सब फॉर देन सॉल्विंग. सो A is, substitute the values, 9,28,200 is equal to C. We don't know, so C as it is, divided by I. I is 0.1. Square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus 0.1, bracket raised to N, which is 4 minus 1. Let's take this 0.1 on the right hand side. So 9 lakh, sorry, left hand side, 9,28,200 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to C in square bracket, in round bracket, 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 raised to 4 minus 1. Okay, let's go further. Now I want to remove this decimal point. So 1 divided by 10. So 1 0 goes out of that. So that will be 9,28,200 का बदले में 982820 into 1. Correct? Am I right? ये decimal point निकालना है तो divide by 10. और 10 का 0 और ये 200 का 0 गया. Okay, is equal to C in square bracket 1.1 raised to 4 given in the question, 1.4641 minus 1. Okay, so 92820 is equal to C multiplied by 0.4641. So 92820 divided by 0.4641 is equal to C. Let us remove the decimal point. So how many zeros I have to add on the top? 4 zeros. 92820. I want to remove decimal points. So add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Divided by 4641. डबल है क्या उसका? 464 का डबल है क्या? Let me check. 4641. 4641 multiplied by 2. 2, 8, 12, 1, 9282. Yes. So direct division हो रहा है. This is 1. ये 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So C is equal to 2 lakhs. ओवर डियर स्टूडेंट, फाइनल आंसर लिखना है हमको, बाकी कैलकुलेशन इज ओवर, करेक्ट।
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
So the amount to be set aside every year is 2 lakhs. So let us write down the final answer. Shabazz, once done, let me know. Okay. Now write down the final answer. The amount to be set aside every year is rupees 2 lakhs. The amount क्या wording use किया था? Let us use the same word, the amount to be set aside every year is, don't forget to write this rupees, and better put commas in the 2 lakhs, 2,00,000,000. सिंपल सम था, इजी, कैलकुलेशन भी इजी था, सम वाज सिंपल, इवन कैलकुलेशन वाज सिंपल. डू expect this type of sum in your exams. जनरली पॉइंट्स में ज्यादा नहीं लेके जाएंगे, इजीली डिविजिबल दे देंगे. यस, चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Find future value after 2 years. Future value after 2 years मतलब क्या ढूंढना है? They are calling it as future value. What we call it as A. If the amount of rupees 12,000 is invested at the end of every half year, संभालो, every half year बोला है, and at the end बोला है. First at the end. Find future value is A ढूंढना है हमको. 12,000 is C. End means immediate annuity, and at the end of every half year, संभालो, half year बोला है, at 12% per annum. 12% per annum, that means 6% for half year, compounded half yearly, given 1.06 raised to 4 is so and so 1.2625. Let us write down now answer. ये भी easy है, calculation मालूम नहीं मेरे को. Let's see how the calculation is. Sum is easy, calculation may be difficult, calculation may be easy. Answer. Let's go in the same sequence as they are given. Sorry, given, I'll write the word given. गिवन सबसे पहले क्या दिया है, n is equal to 2, but half yearly. Therefore 2 multiplied by 2, agreed? Half yearly, so I'm multiplying it by 2. r को बाद में लेता हूं, पहला n दिया है ना, तो पहला n ले लिया, is equal to 4. Then c is equal to 12,000, agreed? c 12,000 है, and r is equal to 12% per annum, but half yearly. Therefore 12% divided by 2, rate always will be divided. 12% divided by 2, that is equal to 6%. Therefore I is equal to कितना आएगा, 0.06. Yes, don't make mistake, don't say 0.6, 0.06. Let's start with the answer. कौन सा फॉर्मूला आएगा, ए वाला फॉर्मूला आएगा, करेक्ट. फ्यूचर वैल्यू मींस ए is equal to c upon I. It's not a dash, it is a, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket raised to n minus 1, square bracket close. That is equal to c. C is 12,000. A we have to find out. 12,000 divided by I is 0.06, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus 0.06 raised to n. N is 4, 2 years into 2 minus 1. नो, किसने बोला पार्थ? पार्थ किसने बोला? इनफैक्ट मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज इज नथिंग एल्स, बट आपके जो अर्लियर एक्सरसाइज है उसी का एक्स्ट्रा सम्स. मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज इज इक्वल टू एक्सरसाइज का एक्स्ट्रा सम्स. तो अगर मिसलेनियस गया है, वन सेक, अगर मिसलेनियस गया है तो उसके साथ एक्सरसाइज भी गया, उसके साथ चैप्टर भी गया. लास्ट ईयर के जैसा ऐसे ही. हाँ, लास्ट ईयर के जैसा. ओके, सो है मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज है बेटा. ओके, करते हैं अपन. ये इधर से डेसिमल पॉइंट हटाने का है, 2 डिजिट्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट है, तो हैव टू ऐड 2 zeros. 12,000 and add 2 zeros divided by 6. पॉइंट निकाल दिया मैंने, तो 2 zeros ऐड कर दिया. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, राउंड ब्रैकेट, 1.06 raised to 4 minus 1. Yes, people are giving me answer also. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So this is 2 lakhs. Am I right with zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros, yes, correct. In square bracket, 1.2625 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 lakhs multiplied by 0.2625. Let us remove the decimal point. So 4 digit, तो इधर से 4 digit जाएगा, तो क्या आ जाएगा? 20 multiplied by 2625. Not difficult calculation again. Calculation is not difficult at all. Is 20 का 0 लिख दिया. Now multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 6s are 12, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So again, calculation also was easy. Don't call this calculations are difficult. These are easiest calculation. क्या calculation difficult था? Okay. Removing decimal point easily आना चाहिए अभी. You should be able to remove decimal point easily. And multiplied by 20 था. That is multiplied by 2 basically. हाँ. Last line लिखना है, लिख दूंगा. Future value is rupees. Final answer ना? Future value is rupees 52,500.